Hey there! Are you looking to video call your Facebook friend but don't know how? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to video call your Facebook friend in just a few easy steps. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, search for your friend's profile that you want to video call. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you've found your friend's profile, tap on their name to open up their profile page. From there, tap on the three dots located in the right corner of the profile. This will bring up a menu of options that you can choose from. Next, choose Video Call from the menu of options. This will initiate a video call with your friend. If your friend is available, they will receive a notification and can join the call. And that's it. You've successfully video called your Facebook friend. This is a great way to stay connected with your friends and family, no matter where they are in the world. To recap, here are the steps to video call your Facebook friend. 1. Open the Facebook app. 2. Search for your friend's profile. 3. Tap on their name to open up their profile page. 4. Tap on the three dots located in the right corner of the profile. 5. Choose Video Call from the menu of options. It's important to note that in order to video call your Facebook friend, both you and your friend need to have the Facebook Messenger app installed on your phones. If you don't have the app installed, you'll be prompted to download it before you can initiate a video call. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.